In this video, I'm going to show you how to warp an image in Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I've got this image of a rainbow that I'd like to warp. So what we need to do is go ahead and click onto Pixel. And then from Pixel on the left hand side, click on the Move tool, but click on it. And then we need to use the Mesh Warp tool. Then from here, click on the image, and if I go ahead and move that in, so I'm going to go pixel again, and then click onto the little drop down, click on mesh warp tool. And now from here, I'm going to drag the corners in and warp it like so. Now it can be very sensitive, so I'm just going to do this again. Click that mesh warp tool, and now I'm going to choose the other corner and just slightly drag it in like so. If you go too much, it's going to go crazy, so I can drag that in like so. And if I want to do the bottom left hand corner, I can move that in and warp it however I feel